we're gonna garden today, right? Paw? Good doggy. So today we are ow. Today we are going to do more gardening. Duh. Koda's sitting here huffing and puffing like it's hot. It's not hot. So yeah, I just cleaned up this area over here. Hi baby. You wanna sit? You a good boy? You like my garden? You like my garden? Why are you huffing and puffing? Why are you huffing and puffing? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so we're gonna do a little weeding today. Definitely down there. And then we'll water the flowers, water the raspberries and strawberries, and that's about it, right? This is my little garden companion for the day. He's feeling very emotional, right? And he's shedding, so there's gonna be dog hair all over me. But yeah, we're gonna garden today, right? Paw? Good doggy. Good doggy. I was gone all morning because I had appointments, so maybe he's sad I left him. I want to finish all the weeding today, and so I only have that section down there and then that section over there, and then I'm done. Yeah, and I only have one brown Costco bag left, so hopefully there's not too many. But yeah, I'm gonna get the big clippers and cut that massive thing. So let's do that. Perfectly cute and perfectly perfect these tomatoes are. And he gave me so many. They're so nice. This is harder than I thought. A little bit more. Deep in there. Oh goodness, I didn't see this thing. I don't know how to get it out. Here is good. Take these out real quick. Pretty easy. There's just a million of them, and it's gonna look much better. No clovers welcome in my garden. Another moment to appreciate the tomatoes. Look at my project area. It turned out so good. The only one is the white in the middle of the leaf.
Okay, this is a plant.
What about this one?
But this didn't drain. It's no drain.
So, okay, I got it.
This is like, you know what this is?
Cilantro.
No, I know. It's like soup.
Good soup.
It's like soup. Ready?
Yeah. Oh! Wait, that's nasty. Ew. We all know what that looks like. Looks like poop. Tell me that doesn't look like poop. That is literal poop.
Expand it.
I almost fell in. Ah! It literally doesn't go through. Ew. I can't stand here. That's nasty. Oh. Solid day in the garden, eh? Good boy, Koda. Good boy. Are you gonna stay here with my bike? You gonna stay here with my bike? I'll be right back. I got a lemonade.
Catch up to you.
That's true, that's true. I catch up to you in 1 second.